Rent might be your largest monthly expense. It should also be considered a need and put towards the top of your budget. Because it is usually the biggest expense, it might be tempting to skip a payment and put that money towards other things. This might seem like a good idea, but take a moment to consider how you will catch up with 2 rent payments and all your other bills next month. Sometimes, people alternate months of paying rent and paying credit cards or loans just to stay within a 30 to 60 day late payment window. This might seem like your only option to stay afloat, but it might not be. If deciding to pay your rent or your creditors, call your creditors and let them know you won't be able to pay for a period of time. Some of them may offer a reduced payment plan or a settlement for a reduced balance payment or something else to help during the struggle. Unless your debts are tied to your home or your car, budget and pay them after you've paid for your necessary living expenses. If skipping your rent payment is something you're considering, please schedule a free initial coaching or education appointment with me at balanceandgrow.com, and we'll find a way to balance your spending and grow your financial future.